Configuring Wi-Fi settings for your Ring device.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a topic many of you have been asking about: how to configure your Wi-Fi network settings to allow your Ring device to join the network. These settings are crucial to get your Ring device up and running, and we're going to break down the process in easy-to-follow steps.
What type of network does Ring support?
Before we start tinkering with your Wi-Fi settings, it's important to note that Ring devices only support Wi-Fi networks operating on 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz frequencies. If your Wi-Fi is set to a different frequency, your Ring device won't be able to connect. So, check your router settings and make sure it's set to one of these frequencies.
Is your Wi-Fi network secure?
Next, you need to make sure your Wi-Fi network is secure. Ring devices support networks secured with WPA or WPA2 protocols. If your network is unsecured or uses a different security protocol, you'll need to change this setting in your router. An unsecured network is not just a problem for connecting your Ring device, but it's also a risk for all devices connected to your network.
Are you using a compatible router?
Ring devices generally work well with most routers. However, certain features on some routers, like AP isolation or client isolation, might prevent your Ring device from connecting to your network. Make sure these features are turned off in your router settings.
Is your Wi-Fi signal strong enough?
Lastly, it's important to ensure that your Wi-Fi signal is strong where you're planning to install your Ring device. A weak signal could lead to poor performance or connectivity issues. A Wi-Fi signal strength of -65 dBm or better is recommended for Ring devices. You can use various smartphone apps or your router's built-in tools to check the Wi-Fi signal strength. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to adjust your Wi-Fi settings to allow your Ring device to join the network. Remember, having a strong, secure, and compatible Wi-Fi network is not only beneficial for your Ring device, but for all devices connected to your network. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.